Hey everybody. Okay, we're back and we're gonna paint this tray. These plates came with it, okay? So I'm just gonna put these to the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe down the tray just a little bit. Okay, I think you can see pretty good. Whew, it is a scorcher. It is so humid and hot here. The humidity is nuts. But I guess it's that way with everyone, isn't it, right now? And this is why I always tell you I don't like summer. I would take fall year-round with some winter added in. No problem. No problem at all. I'm going to put this paper bag underneath just so it protects from the paint dropping. Okay, I'm just using Anita's all-purpose acrylic black, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to then hit it with this home decor chalk paint, and this is in Bavarian. It's called Bavarian, like a Bavarian cream. Now, like I said, I could spray paint, but I want to keep my spray paint for my bistro set outside. All right, I'm just going to put this on I'm putting some of the paint on the bag. And it's going to take a little bit to get this all covered. Now again, it would have went very fast had I used spray paint. Okay, and I know that. But that's okay. It just may take a little longer. So what I'll do is I'll just let you watch this process. I'll put you to music probably, and then when we go on to the next part, which is the ivory, the Bavarian, whatever you want to call it. I'll come back and talk a little bit. And I have to do the inside of this as well. And, you know, if I had a sponge brush, I could go look to see if I have one. But to be honest, I don't want to take the time to go looking. By the time I'm done looking, I could probably be done with almost all of this, painting it black. I'm going to go ahead, I have some spray sealer. I'm going to go ahead and seal this acrylic paint so it just adheres a little bit better. And then let it dry, and then I'll be back and we'll put the ivory. But I think it looks good, don't you guys? Okay, it's sprayed with the sealer. And this is what I used, I'll show you. It's the satin clear. Okay, so now I was looking at this bistro, and it's a little bit too yellow. So I'm going to mix it with the Adirondack white just to lighten this up. Okay, so I'm going to use probably more white Let me shake this up real quick. Okay. See how yellow this is compared to the white? So I'm going to come in and just a little bit of this. It's probably even too much. I'm going to go ahead and mix this and then I'll be probably back. Thinking, Daveda, what are you doing? You did all that painting and now you're just covering it up. Well, if you look, do you see the black through here? And some of it I will paint completely and then just come in. Do you see that? Okay, look at that. And then you look at this. Do you see where I'm going here? And then if I want to come in lightly, and this is dampened, this paper towel is dampened a little bit. I can take off some of this black. And I'm not using a bunch of paint. I'm taking off a lot of it before I come in. And some will be painted more than others, and it'll just look like it's distressed. Okay? So basically what I'm doing with some of it, I'm dry brushing. So you're just putting paint on to your brush, and then you're taking it and you're taking it off. I mean, I know it seems counterintuitive, right? But that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so I wanted to show you so far. I want to show you so far. I'm not done painting it, but if you look at this, and you look at this, you see where I'm going. Okay? So I still have a little ways to go. I still have a little ways to go. And when I'm all done, I'll let this dry and then I'll spray it again with this. The handle will be the last thing that I paint because I need it to hold on to while I'm moving this around. And since it's so hot here today, I've got to hurry and get this paint on so it doesn't dry up. You guys, look how good it turned out. You can see up here where I left a little bit of the black just to make it look like it's old and the paint's rubbing off. It looks so much cleaner than the turquoise to me. Then down here you can see where the black still was, and then where it's like wearing off. And I think it goes perfectly with this, don't you? The look is exactly what I wanted to achieve. So guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.